Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video we will be learning 5 new words of the day. So this is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard for today, which is 19th of April 2019. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard for any banking or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. The first word for the day is halt, which means something that brings or comes to an abrupt stop. That means something that has stopped abruptly or very suddenly. So few of the synonyms are cease, stop, finish, discontinue, terminate or conclude. We'll check the usage. The car came to a halt and then started to roll forward, which means suddenly the car had come to a halt, which means it stopped abruptly and then it started rolling forward. The next term for the day is knight. Knight is a man who served his sovereign or lord as a mounted soldier in armor. So a knight is a man who has served his king or his lord as a mounted soldier in armor, which means with a lot of proud if a soldier is sort of serving his lord. So few of the synonyms are cavalryman, horseman, equestrian. Now we'll check the usage. After he saved her life, Alex was her knight in shining armor. That means after Alex saved the life of the queen or the princess, he became her knight. The next term is plight. Plight is a dangerous, difficult or an unfortunate situation. So something which is not very easy for us to be in. It's very difficult and dangerous. The usage is we must direct our efforts towards relieving the plight of children living in poverty. So we know there are a lot of children living in poverty and we should direct our efforts towards removing them from that situation. The next term is prodding. Now prodding is an act of stimulating or reminding someone to do something. So it's like when our parents tell us to constantly study, to follow good practices continuously. That is when we use the term prodding. Now few of the synonyms are stimulus, push, prompt or reminder. The usage is we need a gentle prod to remind ourselves that life is only what you make it, which means that it's how we direct our lives is how life will be for us. And the last term for today is rebound. Rebound is an increase in value, amount or strength after a previous decline. So it means that something that went through a decline rises. This is nothing but rebound. So the synonyms are have an unexpected adverse consequence for someone or to backfire on. So the usage is they revealed a big rebound in profits for the last year. That means a company that was going through loss suddenly got a lot of profits and started rebounding. So those were the 5 words that we learned today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. I hope you like the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.